Hello YouTube, I'm UPU. So I'm gonna show you how to turn a Google Pixel 2 into Pixel 3 in 1 minute. First, you need a Pixel 2. Here it is. Made in Taiwan. Clearly, it's clearly white. First, you have to change your wallpaper. Use a more Pixel 3 style one. Adjust a little bit, both home screen and lock screen. Perfect. And then go to setting, system, and in the advanced setting you will find developer options, and you can simulate a display with a cutout. So like you can try corner display cutout. What the double display cutout. I don't even know what is this for. And lastly, the tall display cutout. A lot better. It looks exactly the same like the huge notch on Google Pixel 3. Voila! Here you have it, the Google Pixel 3. See? 100% identical.